Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our morning live trading session. All right. So, as usual, we are going to be analyzing the market and look for trade opportunities. All right. So, if you haven't gotten your account ready, if you don't have enough fund in your account, please make sure you fund your account. All right. Today is Wednesday. Let's look for ways we can take advantage of the market, all right, make our own money out of the market before the market start to do it, normal thing, all right. So let me just delete this. Okay, it's a trade we took on the premium group. We lost to that, all right. So guys, on our premium group, we don't hide anything. Okay, we took this trade yesterday and we lost to this. I think we took about three. The other ones came. Okay, we made profit from the other one, but we lost to this one. All right. So it is what it is. Yeah. Okay. So moving on, we have this movement in the market right now. Okay, so we have this. Let me mark this out. The last bullish candle here. Then we will then go to the lower time frames. Let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so let's wait and see if this is going to get here and reject. So once we get a rejection here, we are going to place our sell trade immediately. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute time frame. No, it's going to be much better there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we have this on the 5 minutes. Uh, okay. So we got our first setup. And once this market comes back in here, we are going to take our entry down. Okay, we are going to take an entry to the downside and ride it to the downside. All right. So let's just give this a minute. Okay, the current candle will finish printing in exactly 1 minute. So let's give it a minute. Let's see if that is going to give us, a reversal pattern. If it's going to, move to that our point of interest. So when I say point of interest, I mean this area where I have marked out. Okay, so let's see if the market is going to come here. And once the market do come here, then we take our sell entry to the downside. So let me just do this. Let's do this. Okay, so once it touches our entry, then we'll have a sell, have our stop loss and our take profit this way. So let's see if the market will come here. Okay, this is a good zone. Okay, so the current candle closes and Okay, we have a current candle. The previous candle has closed. Okay, and the current candle is heading towards that area now. Okay, so since we still have time, I think we should give this a little bit of time, so we don't move from it, and then the next thing you just see the market start playing out. Okay, so let's just give that at least to the end of this current candle. All right. So let's give that a little bit of time. So just few more seconds to the end of that candle. All right. So less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle, and you see it's approaching our entry area. So let's just stay on this till the end of this candle. Then see if we can, get an entry. Okay, so less than a minute, just a few more seconds. And let's see if this is something, you know, we can wait on. So immediately this market gets to this point, we are taking our entry and selling immediately. Okay. So as you can see, the current candle is making it move towards the entry zone. So hopefully it tucks in and, okay. So this didn't get to our entry point, and the candle is about to finish printing. So I hope we don't waste our time here. All right. So let's just wait to the end of this current candle, and if nothing is happening, then we might likely go and look for opportunity on other markets. All right. Okay, so the candle has ended and the market is moving to the downside now without triggering our point of interest zone. Okay, The market didn't get to our point of interest zone, just started moving from this area. Okay, so uh, took our time to stay on that, but nothing came out of it. Not bad, but we knew. All right. So let's look for another one. Let's look for another setup. See if we can get another clean one. So I don't know if you can. Okay. So I made this analysis yesterday, and the market is still respecting my point of interest. Still respecting my point of interest. Okay, so I need just one more confirmation. I need just one more confirmation from here for me to take my entry. All right. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. Let's see if this is something we can take advantage of. Five minutes. So I'll just draw the zones out and see if it's something we can actually take advantage of. So we have few zones. We have this zone also. All right. Okay, so let's do this from the 15-minute time frame since it's a higher time frame and the market always respects the higher time frame. All right. So let's take it from the higher time frame. So we have all these zones from the higher time frame. So let's go to the 5 minute. Let's go back to 5 minutes. Okay, pretty good. This is good. Okay, so let's just wait. Let's see if this would reject. Okay, I think we should stay on the 30-minute time frame. So once we get a rejection here and our moving average closes below Then we take our sell entry. All right. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful move. So guys, get your accounts ready. AUD NZD. Go to AUD NZD. Get your accounts ready. Just stay on AUD NZD. Once we get the confirmation, we are selling immediately. So once we get a confirmation, we sell AUD NZD immediately. All right. So wait for my signal, guys. So please go get your accounts ready. Just stay on AUD NZD. All right. Stay on it. Okay. So now what I want to see here is a rejection to the downside for a confirmation. Once we get the rejection here, we are placing our sell immediately. This is good. You see, the market stopped. So confirmations are always very important. Do not take trades blindly. So assuming we took this trade, you see the market just keeps going up and up and up. But let's see, the market hasn't violated any of our rules yet. So let's see if the market will still come down and give us maybe a long week. Okay. So the market is currently flying to the upside, okay, with a very strong bullish candle. So you see, that is why it's very important that you make proper confirmation before you take any trade. Just few more seconds to the end of this candle. Okay. So let's go back to the higher time frame. So I think the market is currently respecting this zone. The 15 minute remains just 2 minutes and 16 seconds to close. So let's see how this market is going to close. If it closes in our favor, then guys, we may likely take a trade here with a stop loss and a take profit. Okay. Most likely, I'm going to share a trade with stop loss and take profit with you guys. But most importantly, let's stay. Let's see how it closes. Let's see if it's going to close in our favor or not. Okay. So let's wait for this candle close. So after this candle closes and it's still giving us a rejection, then we take our sale. Okay. So right now I'm not comfortable with the price pattern I got here, the candle pattern. Candle pattern, are like confirmations one gets before you can tell if the market is going to sell or, continue to buy, or if the market is going to buy or sell. All right. So the rejection that I got here is on the 3 minute time frame is not convincing enough. And you saw these areas where the market, rejected to the upside. Okay. So this also signifies that the market wanted to reject to the downside, wanted to come down, but it keeps, moving. Though it shows sign for a weak bullish, okay, but it's not a reversal pattern. So a reversal pattern is something that we are waiting for currently here, but we still haven't gotten any. So I wouldn't want us to, take too much time on a particular pair. So I think now we should just go to other pair to see if, we can get another entry, stuff like that. Okay. 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 So let's go to the lower time frame. So if this closes above, we are taking our buy trade. So if we go to the 1 minute time frame right now, you'd see that we had this movement Okay. Oh boy. So the market just started moving right in the middle of my analysis. Okay, but the most important thing is um, the analysis was right because I was going to share a buy right in the middle of my analysis. The market just started to play out. You see? So we have all these zones that the market hasn't taken out. If this market, this is the 1 minute time frame, if this comes back in here, we are going to take a buy. Okay, but I doubt that the market will come back here. You see, the market just keeps moving to the upside. We could have taken TP if we took this trade, and our TP would have met. Okay, our TP would have met, but unfortunately, the market just started moving even before I could get the chance to call out a trade. All right, so let's continue. Let's continue. Let's go to the higher time frame. On the higher time frame, as you can see from here, you see the market has already started making it move. Okay, so we are currently on CHFJPY, and hopefully we are able to get proper entry here. The entry that we could have gotten, started playing out even before I could place a trade. Before I could even call out any trade, the market has started playing out already. But no worries, we're definitely going to see another one that is going to give us good profit. All we need to do is have patience and keep searching. So we are going to keep searching until we get that perfect one. All right. So let's go to 30 minutes. Let's go to 5. I think I'm getting a kind of a move from here. All right, guys, go to CHFJPY. Get your account ready. CHFJPY. All right, guys, sell CHFJPY. Sell now. We sold from here. Our stop loss is here. And our take profit is there. So let's see how this plays out. All right. Guys, we got our first entry. We got our first entry. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Guys, we are in profit. Okay. We are still holding, guys. We are still holding. So let's just give this few minutes. See how it plays out. All right. So hopefully it goes to our take profit and we collect our profit and go out of the market. So this is our first setup this morning and we are currently in profit. So the market is heading towards our take profit area. So guys, we are still on this. We are still on our first trade. We are in profit, but rules are rules. Even though we are going to get out, at least we must see something that is chasing us. All right. But right now, the market is still playing out. So we are still holding. Our first trade this morning, we are still holding. It's our first trade and we are still holding. All right. So a few seconds more to the end of this 1 minute candle. So if this market comes back to this level and closes with a bullish candle, we might most likely close. Okay. Okay, good, good. So if the market successfully breaks this level, it's going to come down here. Okay. Okay, so right now it's breaking it, which is a good sign, and we are making more profit, guys. We are making profit. So the market is almost out at our take profit level. Guys, if you have multiple positions, you can close some positions now. So I just closed 3 of my position and I'm left with 2 currently. Okay. So that is profit. That is how to make profit in the Forex market. That is how to hold profit. I'm left with 2. I closed 3. So let's see if this is going to continue to the downside. Let's see if this candle is going to, hit our TP. So we can forget about this and move on, all right? If this candle closes with this big bullish candle, we are going to close the position. We are going to close our remaining positions. All right, guys. So I'm closing my remaining position now. All right, I just closed position. I closed my remaining position. I opened 5 positions. I took profit on 3 when the market got to this area. And right now I close the rest because I don't trust this candle movement. Okay, it might just be a retest, but I closed. I don't care. All right. So it's better to be safe than sorry. Okay, so we are going to look at another market now to see if we can get, another opportunity before the end of our session. So this was a win. We made profit, even though it wasn't, what we hoped for, but at least we made small profit. So the most important thing is the accumulation. Okay, if you're able to accumulate profits, good. That way you'll be making consistent profit. Yeah. So you accumulate profit, you accumulate, dollars. Then by the end of the day, you can have up to $4, $5, even if it's just $2. At least we all know how much $2 is. So the accumulation is what matters the most. All right. So let's continue. Let's make more analysis. Let's see if we can get another entry opportunity. Okay, so let's go to lower time frame. So we got another one here. Okay, we got another one there. So let's see if our entry is going to get triggered. So once it triggers, we sell immediately. I'm going to give you guys the take profit and the stop loss. Okay. So, so let's see how this candle closes. Let's see if we're going to get tapped in. So if we get tagged in, then we take the sell and hold our grounds. Okay. So we are currently still waiting on confirmation here. Once we confirm that the market is going to continue to go down, then we take the sell entry. I think I'm going to have to send you guys the take profit and the stop loss. The reason is because we have just few more minutes to the end of our session. So, but let's just give it a chance. Let's give it a chance. So once we get a confirmation, we'll take the entry, and then I'll give you guys the stop loss and my take profit. Okay. So the market just got there. Let's see if it's going to give us what we want. Okay, beautiful move. Okay. So we also have a zone from here to the top. But if it closes with a full body, then we may have to, look for another entry opportunity. So just few more seconds. Okay. So let's go to the lower time frame. I want to make confirmation on something. Okay, so the market didn't close below the moving average, even on the lower time frame. Okay. So guys, we are not going to take this entry. Okay, we are not going to take the entry. But overall, um, we got a setup, and it gave us a quite reasonable amount of money. So guys, that will be all for this morning. Remember, we have our Telegram session coming up by 11:30. That is in 30 minutes from now. So guys, join me there. Let's put heads together. If you have any inquiry, any suggestion, just come there. Let's chat. All right. So I'll see you guys on the Telegram live. Bye for now.